With COVID-19 swab test supplies low in many areas, Hardy Diagnostics in Santa Maria is ordering new rapid test kits.
We do have 3,000 kits coming our way from China within 2 weeks.
Each kit can test 50 patients.
When the person is having symptoms, the antibody will start to rise. Basically, this is a serum, a plasma, or a finger prick.
The lab will place blood in these two sections on the device, and then it will test for 2 different immunoglobulin antibodies. If positive, it will show as a band across the device. Results come in just 15 minutes.
So we recently received approval from the FDA to sell the product, even though it hasn't been fully reviewed by the FDA yet. So it's in the process of being reviewed.
The FDA is allowing sales because of the emergency situation.
We have backlogs of over $5 million worth of orders of a variety of products for COVID-19, and we're allocating product based on need.
We're getting a lot of orders from outside of the country, but we're giving preference to America right now.
They say this rapid test is a good supplemental test, and a second swab test may be advised to confirm the results. In Santa Maria, I'm Monica Abbott, Fox 11 News. In just an hour and a half, nurses will be gathering here at the San Luis Obispo County Courthouse. They are protesting a lack of PPE at French Hospital and other San Luis Obispo County medical facilities. Protesters are members of National Nurses United. The union represents 150,000 nurses across the country. Nurses say they are especially in need of N95 respirators. Their argument is without these, the nurses are not safe. Therefore, the patients are not safe either. Just today, we learned 15 health workers in San Luis Obispo County are sick with COVID-19. That means that 1 in 6 positive tests in the area is a healthcare worker. We asked public health officials about their PPE supplies. They told us there's enough on hand in the county right now.
We have been getting additional PPE in on a regular basis to the county. We are making supplies available to the hospitals. If they don't ask us for supply, we are not offering it.
Last Friday, we talked with Dignity Health about PPE at their hospitals. They told us hospitals have enough PPE on hand to meet the current need. Protesters here are saying that Dignity Health is asking them to reuse masks. The protest begins at 8 tonight. We will have more information for you tonight at 11. In San Luis Obispo, I'm Monica Abbott. Back to you. I'm standing in front of Efren's Mexican restaurant, just one of the restaurants open during the shelter-at-home order. Although restaurants are considered essential business, for many of them, business has slowed down. Restaurants are allowed to remain open, but they must be takeout or drive-through only. Restaurants are calling out for everyone to support local business by ordering takeout. A local restaurant owner I talked to says that sales have been down 60 to 70%, but that's not the only effect of the epidemic.
Well, other than the sales, it's affected our business mostly because of the employees that we have to cut back hours, lay a lot of people off that we had just hired for summertime. So it really takes a toll more on my employees.
He says he has many friends whose businesses have been affected in this way too. To bring in customers, he is offering more deals like Taco Tuesday. He also had one of his restaurants join DoorDash to increase sales. They have hand sanitizer at the counter for customers. We have on our website a list of businesses that are open. You just need to go to the shop tab and click down to Open for Biz. In Santa Maria, I'm Monica Abbott. Back to you.
We're calling this Safer in Shelter.
Santa Maria High School is now a temporary home for those without one, when all Californians are ordered to shelter at home.
If our unsheltered neighbors can have access to hand washing and showers and regular meals and a safe place to sleep, that makes obviously them safer as well as the whole community.
A security guard is allowing people on campus to get to the shelter, located in the gym.
At that point, we do a basic health screening, answering some questions, and then as well as a kind of a basic intake, and then welcome you in. And of course, the first thing you have to do though when you approach is wash your hands.
The shelter is also pet friendly. You can see up against a wall there's all these animal cages with blankets. They've also had donations of pet food and supplies so that people can bring their pets with them when they stay.
It's kind of what I would call a Red Cross shelter. We actually are using American Red Cross cots and blankets that they donated for our use.
Around 20 people stayed here last night.
The gym is set up for 71, and again, that includes about a 10 to 12 foot distance between bunks.
The entire shelter is sanitized twice a day. In Santa Maria, I'm Monica Abbott, Fox 11 News. Behind these doors, the City Council just started their meeting. However, it will look a little bit different tonight due to precautions taken for social distancing. Normally a space filled with chairs, it's empty. You can see the chairs are several feet apart. Council members themselves are also sitting several feet apart. Lompoc residents are also urged to watch the meeting remotely, either on TV, the radio, or online. There are several presentations tonight from leaders, including presentations from Allen Hancock College, public schools, and healthcare professionals. Mayor Janelle Osborne says coronavirus preparedness is top of mind for the city.
My biggest takeaway is that our community understand that this is quite serious, that the sooner we social distance, isolate ourselves, really take care of our own health first and those around us, the sooner we might be able to get back to the kind of life we want to live.
She says right now the city is planning in 2 to 3 week increments. They are reevaluating guidelines constantly. They announced this morning that they are putting a temporary hold on on-site alcohol and cannabis sales until noon tomorrow. This is to prevent several people congregating in close proximity, such as in bars or cannabis lounges. The city is also putting together a website with different resources for the coronavirus. The mayor said that website will be up soon. In Lompoc, I'm Monica Abbott. Back to you.